This crate is almost full. Get another empty one.
I have one right here. Right here.
Watch out for the bruised ones. Bring it down easy.
Oh.
All right, slide it here. Next one, ready. Tension's good, clear to lift.
Lifting the load.
Easy, easy. Set it down right there. All right, next load, bring the crates over here. This is the target zone right here. We move the convoy along this path.
It's risky, but it cuts the travel time by an hour. Let's do it.
Dish alignment is stable, requesting power now.
Generator 5 is online.
Confirmed, signal strength is good.
Before any work begins, soil temperature must be measured across the desert terrain to determine optimal drilling depth.
45.3 at grid 12. Noted. 46.1 here.
Drilling reaches 200 meters deep into the DESRT to access underground aquifers.
Keep the pressure steady on auxiliary 2.
Copy that, maintaining pressure.
Bring it down slowly, watch the connection. Tighten that joint now. Keep it steady on the right. Watch that edge. All right, easy now. Stop. Easy now. Watch the alignment on section 3.
Coming down steady.
All right, clear. Set it down.
Easy now, bring it down slow.
Watch the flange. Clear on this side.
All right, hold it right there.
Are the seedlings watered?
Almost done. I just need one more bucket.
Watch out for the wind.
Ladyfinger seedlings are started in a protected DEZRT nursery before field transplanting.
Stack the empties by the truck.
All right, I will take this full one first.
Careful with that stack. Got it, pass it down. Watch your step up here. All right, everyone, these are the tomato seedlings. Use the trowels for the first row. We need to get these in the ground before the wind picks up.
That's the last row finished.
Good. Let's get these tools packed up. I'm exhausted.
Keep it coming, we need more flow.
It's open, almost there.
The yield looks good on this side, but I'm seeing some blight near the edge.
Yeah, I see it. Let's stop here and take a sample.
These necrotic spots indicate a severe pathogen, likely spread by the local insect vector. We need to examine the surrounding area immediately. The yield on this row looks promising, but check the leaves for pests.
I agree. The irrigation is working well here.
Tanks are loaded, booms are set.
We'll start at the southeast corner and work our way north.
After treatment, the ladyfinger crop shows complete recovery, Leaves return to healthy dark green color. See this comparison on the tablet? We've gone from severe yellowing to this vibrant green in just 3 weeks. Absolutely incredible results. This one is pushing the upper limit on the caliper.
Data confirms the heat stress levels are perfect for harvest today.
Good, let's start pulling the mature ones.
How much further is it today?
Not far, maybe an hour more.
Keep moving. The baskets are heavy.
Spread out evenly down the rows.
Put the baskets by the plants.
Keep the pace, everyone.
We need more crates on this side.
Watch out for the full bins.
This crate is almost full. Get another empty one.
I have one right here. Right here.
Watch out for the bruised ones.
Pesa 15.8.
15. Listo.
Slide it to the left, make sure it's tight against the wall.
Got it. Watch your step.
Next crate, move it up. We need more space over here. Coming right up.
Watch out for the spotted ones in the next batch.
Okay, I see them. We need to increase the rejection rate for this lot.